Most beginners think AI trading is a shortcut to easy money. Just turn on a bot, sit back, and watch profits roll in. But here's the truth. Most people lose money using AI trading. So in this video, I'll break down what AI trading actually is, what really works in 2026, and how beginners can use it the right way. Let's start simple. What is AI trading? AI trading is when software uses data, algorithms, and sometimes machine learning to make trading decisions. This can include automated bots, signal generators, smart indicators, copy trading systems. But here's the key thing beginners misunderstand. AI does not predict the market perfectly. It only follows rules based on past data. The 3 types of AI trading. 1. Fully automated bots. These place trades for you automatically. Sounds good, but risky if you don't understand the strategy. 2. AI signal tools. These give you buy-sell signals. You still control entries and risk much safer for beginners. 3. AI-assisted indicators. These help you analyze the market, not replace you. This is what actually works.
Okay, so if you get on the markets at this point right here and you ask yourself, is price more likely to come all the way down here and take out this major low? I'm sure you understand price is most likely to go up and take out this major high here where there's lots of liquidity, where there's lots of stop loss orders. So when we get on the lower time frames, we're only going to look to buy, we're only going to look for longs. Okay, so here we are on the lower time frames. This is the major high that we know price is going to go for. So this red shaded box, this is the sweep, and the gray shaded box, this is the actual sweep itself, right? This wick goes just below it and it quickly and aggressively shoots off. That is what a liquidity sweep actually is. The AI is only considering this time frame, right? So it's going to give you the win rate based off just this time frame alone. What we really want to do is we want to enter on this retracement. So we have our bias, we have the sweep, price is quickly shot off. We just want to ride price up, right? We want to ride price up to this major high all the way up here, right? For me, I think the easiest entry, especially when you're trading crypto, Fibonacci retracement. Very easy, very simple. Your stop is always fixed at the low. For your take profit, this is where things get interesting. Minimum, if you're using Fibonacci, target this major high.
Why most beginners fail. Let me save you months of frustration. They trust bots blindly. They don't understand risk management. They chase 100% win rate systems. They ignore liquidity and market structure. AI is just a tool, not magic. If you're serious about using AI trading the right way, the first thing you need is a tool that actually shows you where the money is in the market liquidity. That's why I personally use a liquidity indicator to help me identify real entries instead of relying on random AI signals. I've left the link in the pinned comment so you can check it out and set it up. Now let's talk about what actually works for beginners. Step 1. Focus on market structure. First, before using any AI tool, you need to understand trend direction, support and resistance liquidity zones. AI works best when it follows structure, not replaces it. Step 2. Use AI for confirmation. Here's a simple strategy. Identify trend on higher time frame, like 4 hour. Wait for price to reach a liquidity zone. Drop to lower time frame. Use your AI tool or indicator for confirmation. This combination is powerful. Step 3. Risk management is everything. Even the best AI system will lose trades. So always, risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Use stop loss. Avoid overtrading. This is what separates profitable traders from beginners. Step 4. Avoid these AI trading traps. Guaranteed profit bots, expensive bots with no transparency, signals without logic, over-optimization. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Step 5. Build a simple system. Here's a beginner-friendly setup. 4-hour time frame. Trend bias. 15-minute or 5-minute. Setup, 1 minute. Entry liquidity indicator. Entry confirmation. That's it. No complexity needed. Final advice. AI trading is powerful, but only if you are in control. The traders who win in 2026 are not the ones using the most advanced bots. They're the ones using simple tools with discipline. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more real trading strategies. And don't forget, check the pinned comment to get access to the liquidity tool I mentioned. I'll see you in the next video.